ICE is not primarily about enforcing immigration. Too many of their actions have nothing to do with smuggling or borders. They're poorly trained, racist, militarized goons whose only requirement for acceptance is to have a backwards ideology on criminality, where they think the real criminals are the ultra poor, when they really be the ultra rich, and they're lying foot soldiers, snatching people from their homes, workplaces, churches, even courthouses, all under the guise of immigration enforcement. That ain't customs work. That's intimidation. What they really are is heavy-handed criminal tactics against peaceful protesters designed to coerce policy changes. We've seen this before, and not just in Nazi Germany with the Brownshirts, but during our civil rights movement when the modern confederacy would use fear tactics against vulnerable communities. That's not justice, that's control. And let me tell you something, real law enforcement protects people, it doesn't terrorize them. I've spent a lifetime fighting for equal rights under the law, and know when the Fourth Amendment, no unlawful searches and seizures, is being trampled. ICE agents busting down doors without warrants, snooping through phones, executing people and then claiming self-defense. That's not enforcing the law. That's wannabe fascist government overreach at its worst. I have plenty of issues with our slave-owning founders, but at the same time know they would be rolling in their graves if they saw this kind of reckless violation of privacy, let alone killing of Americans. Racial profiling is a fancy name for good old-fashioned discrimination. When ICE agents go after folks based on their skin color, on how they look, not what they've done, that's a slap in the face to everything this nation is supposed to stand for. Equal protection under the law and fairness for all. We fought too hard for those promises just to see them get thrown aside like yesterday's newspaper by folks who ought to know better. Here's the simple solution. Accountability. Make sure those ICE agents are being held to account when they trample on people's rights. Videotape their crimes as evidence bank for future prosecution. The Fourth Amendment ain't just words on paper, it's a promise we made to all Americans. And another thing, transparency. The public deserves to know what's going on. No more secretive stings and raids. Let the sunlight in, and believe me, this problem will get sorted faster than you can say due process.